I've given several talks all over the country and all over the globe, but I've never had an audience that was consisting of newborn kids as well as people who were born before in the Independence Day, let alone the Republic Day. But I'm absolutely delighted to be here. Thank you, Sudhir, for inviting me, and thank you, Poonam, for this honor. I know we have a lot of exciting events this evening, so I don't want to take too much of your time, but I just wanted to sort of say a few words in terms of what we could make IAM into. In business, we talk about big, hairy, audacious goals. You know, you want to just think really, really big and go after those dreams. And when Sudhir and Poonam called me and said, "Hey, Rajiv, we are doing this. Would you like to participate?" And I said, "Yeah, maybe only on one condition. And that condition is that we set our goals really, really high." And apparently that rang well with Sudhir and Poonam, and that's why I am here. Um, you know, I've lived in several cities in the US over these last 30 years, and in almost every city, there is one, two, three, four, five, six India associations of different types. And in almost all of these associations, I find that we do not give back to the country, to the community that we belong to as much as we should. So, one of the challenges I pose in front of you today, and I'm here with you, I'll help you as much as I can, as much help as you want from me, is to, in our big, hairy, audacious goal, is to give back something to the Memphis community, not necessarily just to, thank you, thank you, not just to our own community. Um, I had a few discussions, like I said, with Poonam, and what I believe is that we have about 8 regional associations over here. So there's a Bengali association, there's a Gujarati, Marathi, and that's very good. We should celebrate the different cultures that we have in our country, and we are pretty good at that. At the same time, we need, I think, an identity for IAM. What's the mission of IAM? What do we really want to accomplish? How do we work with these other regional associations are some of the questions that we should address amongst ourselves. Um, I believe that there is an executive committee of IAM. I believe that there's a board of trustees or a few trustees there. So what I was proposing to Poonam, if you folks find this a reasonable idea, that the 5 trustees, the 4 members of the executive committee, or maybe there are more, and the 8 leaders of the regional associations, we all get together and carve out a plan as to how we can coexist. And folks, it's pretty easy for us to do that. If you see, there's one thing that we Indians are good at is managing complexity, right? We all grew up in a situation where there were several religions around us. You know, we had the first women president and the first women prime minister and so on and so forth. And I might have my facts wrong, but you guys get the picture. So we, like the Bengalis have Kali Puja, Durga Puja, Saraswati Puja, all female goddesses. So whether it comes to gender or whether it comes to religion, we folks are pretty good at managing all stakeholders, right? But what sort of bothers us is, and all of us will totally agree with this, let us get together, and we are pretty close to being in a situation where there's chaos. So somehow we just cannot organize ourselves and deliver in a very disciplined manner. And why is that? What kind of perceptions do those things create, right? You go to an Indian temple, wherever you go, whether it's in Atlanta or Pittsburgh, they'll say, put your shoes here, and the shoes will be all over the place except there. So, right? So you know, these kinds of perceptions that we leave behind for other folks to look at uh, actually does damage to us, right? It's our future, our promotion, our career, our kids' promotions, our kids' jobs. We all leave a particular stereotype which is not very positive and not in our best interest. So what I'm proposing is that the India Association of Memphis becomes an association which is the pride of all Indian associations in this country. We want to deliver to the Memphis community to start off with absolutely class act, you know, services. And the services ought to be over and above the cultural uh, festivals that we might have over here. Um, we've seen other nations, Italians and the Germans and the Greeks have celebrations and they go pretty smoothly. And I always wonder, why is it that we can't do that? So what I'm promising you today is that we will get together, the regional leaders, the executive committee members, the board of trustee members, and we'll start thrashing out a big, hairy, audacious goal for us, and we will be back to you with our plans and design. Thank you, Poonam. Thank you, Sudhir. Thank you very much.